All right, back at you with another River Valley Wildcats tennis shirt for all those girls just knocking at the door waiting to sign up for me. All right, we'll get you some info soon. Um, Today you guys are gonna have sort of a pop quiz. I wouldn't really call it a pop quiz. It's nothing that I don't think that you need to study for. I've kind of taken some of the bigger ideas of all of this stuff that you've been learning about Europe the past few days, boiled it down to what I thought was some of the most obvious or the simpler questions. Not to say that they won't be a little bit tough on you, but I tried to make it as easy as possible. It's kind of like your final wrap up of Europe. With this distance learning stuff, I'm not going to boil you down with a bunch of details without me being there able to really explain it one-on-one better with you or anything like that. So today, get that summative done. I believe there's 25 questions. Only 24 are multiple choice, and I think only one short answer, so it should be pretty easy for you. Get that done today. Take it easy. Stick with it. Hope y'all are doing well. Keep in contact. Make sure to ask questions, anything like that. Otherwise, hope you have a great day. Join tennis.